Hey guys, it's Debbie Patel, and today we're going to play some Glow Hockey with a special guest, my little brother.
Hello guys.
Today I just wanted to record the chill games, like a calm game,
Yeah, it's like we're bored.
and plus it's raining outside, so we have nothing to do.
And yeah, she's scared.
Yes, I'm scared. Okay, for right.
But by the way, I'm the green one.
Yeah, he's the green one.
And I just made a
And I'm the red one.
Oh snap! Oh yeah.
No.
Master.
No. Okay, so if you're watching this video, there might not be audio for the game. And that I can't fix because I don't know why. I have the volume all the way up for the game too, so.
She's like, what to do? What to do?
Yes,
Yo.
that's how I say whenever I record a video. What to do, what to do.
She's
Yeah.
not a mechanic. I want to be a mechanic though.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't. You don't want to be anything.
Probably a YouTuber. I mean, I finally know my password again for my YouTube channel.
That's sad. You make one and
know.
you forget the password.
Oh, snap.
Let me win. Oh.
Okay. I was about to say this is how I play my Glow Hockey.
Nope.
I got
Ha ha ha! I win! I win! I win!
Bam, bam, bam.
I win! I win! No,
Oh.
no, no. That was an accident.
Almost. Go crazy on her, just like do this.
Ha!
Or not. Wait. Oh.
No, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. No.
So you said there's no audio for the people who are whoa. I'm not pressing anything, doing it by itself.
Yeah, for the game, like for the audio game, you might not hear, but our voices you can hear. And as you might have heard, it's thundering outside.
So I guess Loki and Thor are like fighting right now. So they're like
no, it's Zeus, Poseidon, and Hades. They're fighting. Know your knowledge. Yeah.
Wait, is it 7 or something? Oh yeah, yeah.
What's up?
Yes,
Yeah. Ah, I win.
Hello, laddie. Hello, laddie. You wanna go?
Fight me.
You having a trolley? No. Get to the chopper. No.
Go.
Get out of here. I don't know the time. Let's see what time it is.
It's time for you to let me win.
It's time for you to get a watch. I
don't need a watch. I got a phone. Get in there. Ha!
I think you're gonna go flawless. What?
I'm not moving.
I might sound funny in this video.
'Cause you are.
Yeah,
funny.
I know I'm funny, but
no, you're not.
I make like the worst jokes.
Yes, he does, especially the worst puns. You should hear him talk when if we're bored, he starts making random puns that you have to facepalm.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Like, this is a joke real quick. All right. If y'all could get this right, you'll have a cookie.
No, we're poor. We can't.
What? We have tons of cookies.
No, we don't.
I know. We don't have none yet.
We're broke.
So if you could answer this.
If you could answer this, you're good.
Why was the skeleton too scared to cross the road?
Don't answer it.
You didn't have the guts for it. Dun, dun, dun.
Insert cricket sound here. I don't know how to insert sound effects.
Insert lonely clap.
I'll add it. That's a slow clap. Nah, okay, never mind.
I mean, it's the only one who's clapping. You're like, no, that sounded like more like a whooping.
You deserve a whooping. Ha!
I'm not letting you win this time.
I'ma let me win this time.
Yeah.
Don't interfere in my.
Yeah. What?
Ha!
I just made a self go. I'm just gonna go like this.
I don't have to do anything. All I have to do just. Never mind.
Nothing. I feel like another thunder. Yep. See, I could predict stuff. I was about to say I feel.
Can you predict your future? How?
Yeah.
Okay, what you gonna do in your future?
My future right now. Alright, what I'm gonna do in my future is hold my finger down, my future.
Or let me win. Let me win. That's gonna be your future.
Get out.
We tend to.
Get out.
No. Oh,
We could tell our future.
my future is I don't have one.
Wait, do you watch superheroes? Like, do you still like superheroes?
What's that? No, just kidding. Rarely. I win. Ha!
I mean, I like Spider-Man.
Guess what I like?
What?
Potato Man.
Yep.
That's gonna be my new superhero, Potato Man.
He's gonna come up the potato sacks and
He had a tragic past. His families were turned into French fries.
and then he had a scar from picking out his eyeball from.
Wait, do potatoes have eyeballs?
No.
Google. Do potatoes have eyeballs?
Can potatoes create light? No, wait.
You know, I have my computer next to me, so I'm gonna search that up.
That's for Happy Wheels.
In a future video, we might do that.
Ugh.
Hey, you're cheating.
Wait, how come you're following me? How? What?
Because I follow you
Wait, what?
everywhere. I'm your stalker. Don't do that. I'm trying to play with one hand.
Oh! Get wrecked.
I'm not gonna get wrecked. Blah, blah, blah.
What was that? Are you playing with yourself?
Yes, I'm playing with myself. It's sad.
She's hitting the wall.
Go. Because the wall is my friend. I'm a loner. I have no friends.
Oh, I thought you said something.
I wanna say what you said, but it's best if I don't.
I didn't even say anything.
You said something.
What did I say?
What?
With the Master
Bam!
Sword?
I win. I win all the games in the world.
Trying so hard.
Boom.
No! What? Oh,
Cause screw this game. That's why. I'm playing hockey by myself, and the other person is winning.
Like,
That's sad.
right when she said that, she lost. Like, imagine if somebody lost while playing with themselves.
Yeah, playing with themselves. Excuse my dirty mind.
Oh, wow, Ada. I win.
Yeah, I think we're gonna end it off right there.
Ginger ale.
Comment down who's the true winner, cause I say I'm the winner.
I won 2 times. She won 2 times.
I win all times.
Wait, did she?
I win all the times.
I know she won more than twice. I mean once.
Okay, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like with a potato.
Wait, hit that.
Hit
what?
the like, hit the like button with a potato, and I'll see you guys
what?
next time.
Wait. What if they don't have potatoes?
They have to have a potato.
No, but what if it's like a sweet...
And we're gonna end it right there.
It's a sweet
Goodbye,
potato.
friends.